What if the woman you trust the most is only loyal when you're watching? What if her affection, her admiration, even her respect is carefully calibrated to keep you invested? Most men don't lose years because they were stupid. They lose years because they mistook comfort for character. They mistook chemistry for compatibility. They mistook gratitude for loyalty. They mistook attention for love. And by the time they realize the difference, the cost has already been paid. Today I'm giving you 2 silent tests. Not games, not manipulation, not paranoia. Just clarity. If you stay until the end, you'll never confuse convenience for commitment again. Subscribe to the Magnet Code, because most men don't need more confidence, they need better judgment. Let's sharpen yours. Comfort is a liar. Men rarely get destroyed by obvious betrayal. They get softened by comfort. Sweet texts, affection in public, consistency when things are easy. It feels safe. It feels aligned. But comfort is not proof of character. Comfort is the absence of pressure. And under zero pressure, almost anyone can perform well. This is the psychological trap. In comfort, attention is cheap. Affection is abundant. Kindness costs nothing. But character only reveals itself when something is at stake. You are not evaluating her on how she behaves when life is smooth. You are evaluating her on how she behaves when no one is watching. She has options. She doesn't need you. That's where truth lives. Point 1. How she handles freedom. Freedom is the stage where integrity performs without an audience. Anyone can look loyal when their partner is present. Anyone can play the role of committed woman when eyes are on them. But who is she when she has space? When she travels alone? When she's out with friends? When validation is available? When temptation has no witnesses? This is where many men make a fatal mistake. They assume loyalty is proven by public behavior. It's not. Public loyalty is branding. Private loyalty is character. Let's break it down deeper. There are 2 types of loyalty. Loyalty as an outfit and loyalty as a code. An outfit is worn when convenient. It is displayed when beneficial. It disappears when unseen. A code is internal. It operates without applause. It doesn't require supervision. Here's what most men don't understand. Freedom does not create betrayal. Freedom reveals it. If integrity is already present, freedom strengthens it. If attention-seeking tendencies are present, freedom amplifies them. Watch subtle patterns. Does her behavior shift depending on who is around? Does her tone change when she's in different social environments? Does she guard her phone differently in certain contexts? Does she seek external validation in ways that undermine exclusivity? You are not looking for dramatic cheating scandals. You are looking for baseline alignment. Because small cracks under freedom become fractures under stress. The right woman doesn't see commitment as restriction. She sees it as self-respect. She doesn't protect the bond because she's afraid of getting caught. She protects it because it reflects who she is. And when you find that kind of alignment, you stop overanalyzing. You stop scanning for clues. You feel calm. Peace is the byproduct of integrity. Chaos is the byproduct of performance. Micro-indicator of real loyalty. Here's a deeper psychological marker. A woman living by a code does not flirt for sport. She does not entertain emotional backups. She does not keep options warm just in case. Because her identity is anchored in principle, not opportunity. That's rare. But rare is what you build with. Point 2. How she treats you when she no longer needs you. This is the sharper test, and it hurts more when revealed, because dependency creates illusion. When someone needs you, they treat you well. Needing someone generates politeness. It generates appreciation. It generates closeness. But what happens when the need disappears? When she becomes financially stable, emotionally grounded, socially fulfilled? When she could walk away and still be fine? Does her respect remain, or does it evaporate? Many men fall in love during the dependency phase. They feel valued, important, essential. But essential is not the same as chosen. And when dependency fades, reality surfaces. Here's the distinction. If she loved you for your utility, her warmth will shrink when your role shrinks. If she loved you for your essence, her respect will remain when benefits disappear. Watch the transition. Does she cancel more casually once she's stable? Does she become impatient with your needs? Does appreciation turn into entitlement? That shift is data, not emotion. Data. Love sustains itself without incentive. Convenience requires incentive. This is not about bitterness, it's about awareness. The woman who truly values you does not rewrite your importance when her circumstances improve. She does not downgrade your presence once she upgrades her situation. She may not need you, but she still wants you. And that difference changes everything. The love versus convenience divide. Love says, I respect you because of who you are. Convenience says, I respect you because of what you provide. Love maintains warmth without leverage. Convenience dries up when leverage disappears. Benefits can buy affection temporarily. Only values sustain respect long-term, and respect is oxygen. Without it, even intense chemistry suffocates. Why men ignore these signs? Because hope is powerful. Because ego enjoys being needed. Because starting over feels exhausting. So men negotiate with red flags. They rationalize shifts in behavior. They blame stress, timing, circumstances. But patterns do not lie. Temporary gratitude fades. Permanent character repeats. You don't need to run tests. Life runs them naturally. Freedom happens. Independence happens. Your job is not to manipulate outcomes. Your job is to observe reactions. A suspicious man hunts for betrayal. A wise man monitors patterns and adjusts investment accordingly. Final integration. Strip away the selfies, the romantic trips, the affectionate captions, the I miss you texts, and you're left with two questions. Who is she when no one is watching? And who is she when she doesn't need you? That's it. If she protects the bond in silence and honors you in independence, you found something rare. If she performs loyalty publicly but loosens it privately, if she values you deeply when dependent but casually when independent, you haven't found love. You've found leverage. And clarity is mercy, because clarity saves years. Closing frame. Men, your peace depends on who you allow close. Protect it like your future depends on it, because it does. If this gave you clarity, subscribe to the Magnet Code. Comment below. Have you ever realized too late that someone loved the benefits, but not you? Awareness is your shield. Discernment is your discipline. Standards are your protection. Use them, and you will never look at love the same way again.